Hey everyone, this is the fundraiser for Miss Misty Bowling King barbecue plate. 10 at 1. Spot 1 wins. Copy our list. Go live. 920. Just rolled over 921. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 921. We got a 7. 921, 7 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 items on the list. Miss Felicia on top, Miss Renee on the bottom. Randomized 6 times. Dice called for a 7. 921, final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 3, Miss Connie Wade. 10 items, 7 times, 7 on the dice. Congrats, Miss Connie. We are done. 921. Thanks, everyone.